Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the Lancome that my wife purchased. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company, so yeah. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what she got. So this is the UPC and then product description right here. It is made in France. And this one is the pump style. The mascara. This one's the oil booster. And this is the lipstick. Even has a Lancome deposited over there. And they come with this nice bag got this long pull tab. And you carry all this in there. And your cell phone, your wallet. Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this that my wife got from Nordstrom. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company, so I'm not sure what she got. So let's go ahead and unbox it and show you guys the items. So this is cosmetic that she bought to replenish and restock. So this one is 240W, this is 250W. And then that's it. So this is the gift with purchase. Come with this nice carrying bag. Okay. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.